Now we are going to remove a speaker assembly. First, go ahead and look around to locate what bolt or nut is holding the speaker. It looks like it's held off by only one bolt. You can use a Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and start removing this bolt like so. Put the bolt to the side. Use a screwdriver flathead. Slowly work your way around it. Lift it up, pull back. Squeeze these two gray tabs in. And lift up at the same time. And there you have it. That is how you remove a speaker. One bolt and the plug.